All right, and hello, Express Maintenance family. I wanted to share with you guys a quick video on how we are now able to allow requests when they're submitted to send an email automatically to the maintenance team, letting them know that a work order has been submitted or a work order request has been submitted. And then also when that work order is completed, the requester also gets a notification. So let's dive in. I am in Express Request right now, and if you're not familiar, we do have Express Request where we can host it for you. We also have Express Request online, and that online is available to all customers. What you're seeing right now is the hosted version of Express Request, and so all you got to do is go to Insert a Record. We'll add a piece of equipment, pick a service, and then we're going to submit. And notice that it says sending email. Okay, that email has just been sent, and I just received it right here. There's the details. Okay, so let's go back here. As a requester, I'm now done. I'm going to log out. I'm going to log into Express Maintenance. Here we go. Okay, and then you'll notice that you have under the requests, you have that request right here. And of course, you can select it, assign it to the work order. And there it is. And then once you complete the work order, the requester will also get another email. And there it is. Okay, it says your work order request status has changed. Here it is, and the details. So just wanted to make sure you guys were aware of that. Also, if you're on version, as long as you're on version 9.7 1430, you can go to configuration and just go to the email settings and look at all of your email setting options. Here's your request emails. Here's your purchase order emails, and here's your work order emails. If any of that is not working after you set that up, please submit a support ticket. I'll put the link in the comments on the video, and our support team can help you guys get that going. All right. I hope you guys enjoy that new feature, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.